Hello everyone, it's Neil from Lancaster Automart. We've got this stunning 2019 deep black pearlescent Volkswagen Caravelle. It's at 2 litres TDI Blue Motion. It's a tech executive. It's been fully prepped by the Volkswagen dealership just over there. It also comes with a full service history with Volkswagen. It's at 26,889 miles. It's a diesel automatic. It comes with 17-inch alloy wheels with a Cascable black diamond turned surface. It's got an anti-theft system with interior monitoring backup horn and a tow-away protection. I'll just show you the alloys. Great condition with the alloys. Also comes with an automatic sliding ramp feature. There's the service history, full service history from Volkswagen. Stunning car, great condition. It also comes with auto dimming rear view mirrors and rain sensors, with automatic headlights activations with daytime running lights. It's got a dynamic suspension, which the body has been lowered by 20mm. Show you inside the vehicle. As you can see, it's got the lovely leather interior with the suede, with the armrest. Let's show you inside. Lovely condition. As you can see, it's got the multifunction steering wheel with Bluetooth hands-free and voice control. It's also got cruise control and a speed limiter just there. There's a dashboard. Oh, you can't really see. 26,889 miles. 889 miles, sorry. It's got front heated seats with a touchscreen display with many features such as the media. Oh. It's got a rear camera as well. It's got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I'll just show you the reverse camera. It's got a reverse camera with parking guidelines, ideal for them busy parking spots. It's got climate control and front heated seats, like I said. It's got plenty of storage compartments with USB ports and power plug sockets. A few more ports there. It's also got a few more cup holders, and it's got a cup holder here. Plenty of space, as you can see, well looked after. I'll just show you the back. As you can see, it's got electronic sliding doors with the mixed fabric and the suede seats with armrests all the way around. It's also got a portable table which you can slide. You can slide this all the way down here. It's got 4 cup holders and it's got storage space underneath it as well. Just there, and a few more cup holders. It's also got climate control all the way around the car, because it's a big car. Plenty more cup holders and plug sockets. It's also got an armrest, as you can see. There you go. Very spacious. Plenty of space. It's a 7-seater, as you can see. It's got a power latching tailgate as well. There you go. Plenty of space. Plenty of space. The seats can roll back as well. It's got a few more ports as well. That's the sensor going off, as you can see. There you go. Very practical. Ideal for a big family. Plenty of storage space. Also comes with a ramp, wheelchair access, which I'll show you. With this remote control comes out. It's got Isofix seating as well. There you go, there's a final look of the car. If you need any more further information or pictures or information about part exchanging or financing the car, just give us a call or send us a message. Cheers guys.